Okay, so we are doing a review on statistics today. So we're going to start by finding the mean. So before I can do that, I want to put all my numbers in order from least to greatest. So 5.8 goes first, 26.6, and then I've got, 31.4, and then I have 33, and then I've got, I forgot 27. So let's see, let's start that here. Forgot my 27, then 31.4, then 33. There we go. Back on track. And then I've got, let's see, 35.6. After 35.6, I've got 36, then 36.4, 37.6, and then lastly 40.2. All right, so here's all my numbers. So if I want to find my mean, I want to add all those numbers up and then divide by how many total there are. So let's see, I'm going to divide first. So 5.8 plus 26.6 plus 27 plus 31.4 plus 33 plus 35.6 plus 36 plus 34 or 36.4 plus 37.6 plus 40.2. So then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. So I'm going to divide that by 10. So my mean is 30.96. Okay, so I've got my mean. Next thing I want to find is my median. Remember, that's my middle number. So I'm going to take my numbers from the outside going in and start crossing them off. So 1, those are gone. Those are gone. Those are gone. Those are gone. I'm left with 2 in the middle. So I'm going to add these together, divide by 2. That gets us our median. So 30, hit and divide, 33 plus 35.6 divided by 2 gets me 34.3. That also tells us that the data is split between these two. So when I find my first quartile, that's half of the first section. So let's do that same process. Let's cancel from the outside going in. So gone, 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 gone. And the middle is 27. And let's do that same process to find our third quartile. So we'll be using these numbers. So again, cross off from the outside going in. 36.4 is my answer here. And then the last thing it wants us to do is find our interquartile range. So that's taking my 34, so that's my Q3 minus Q1. So my interquartile range, 36.4 minus 27. And that gets us, using the Desmos, 0.4 minus 27, gets us 9.4. There we go. All right, so there's our answer. So again, I know it looks like a crazy mess, but I found my mean, I found my median, my first quartile, my third quartile, and my interquartile range. All right, now let's go ahead and make a box and whisker plot. So I'm going to pick one with smaller numbers. That way it doesn't take me as long. So let's look at, my goodness, let's look at number 7. So again, I want to take these numbers and put them from least to greatest. So let's see, my smallest number here is 34, then 39. After 39, I've got 42, 44, 45, 47 twice. After 47, I've got 51, 58, and then 60 and 65. All right, so what I want to do now is for this one, I want to find my min, my first quartile, my median, my third quartile, and my max. So my min's 34. My max is 65. Now I need to find my median. So again, cross off from the outside going in. So my median is 47. Okay, so from there, we want to find, so that splits the data in half. So that's my median. So now I want to go through and find my first quartile. So crossing off 1 again. So that gives me 42. Doing the same thing with the other half. Cross out, cross out, cross out, cross out, and I've got 58. So now what I want to do is make my box and whisker plot. Come on. Come on. I don't want to wait 30 seconds. Here we go. So I want to make my box and whisker plot and put a point at each one of those numbers that I found. So I'd have, let's say I got 30, and go by 10s, 40, 50, 60. So 34 would be here, 42 would be here, 47 would be like here, 58, and 65. Put a box around the 3 in the middle, and then lines to my whiskers. Okay, so you'll do that for 6, 7, or for 6, 8, and 5. Okay, and keep in mind when you're doing it on final, it will be multiple choice, so it should be a little bit easier.